All right, so section 11.2 is going to deal with area. We're going to do this over today and tomorrow. So the first area is pi r squared. Areas always has a, when you say the area of something, you should say meters squared or feet squared, something like that. Okay, so just like yesterday, it could say, area if like the radius is 2.5. So then 2.5 squared, which is 6.25 times pi is 19.63. You obviously use a calculator there, but sometimes it's okay to just put 6.25 pi. Just to, if it says, if you see directions that say leave your answer in terms of pi, typically the number goes first. But in terms of pi, would mean leave pi in the answer and you don't have to multiply it out. Most of the problems it wants you to multiply them out, but all right, so then it could say find diameter. I just misspelled that. There's an A in there. If area equals 113.1. So again, it's, plug it into the formula. The area equals pi r squared. And so really what we need to do is solve for r and then times 2 for the diameter. So I'm going to divide by pi. So 113.1 divided by pi, and I actually get, it's like 36.0000, so and then r squared, just like kind of Pythagorean theorem. So then the diameter would be 12. Okay, so similar problems to the circumference stuff that we did yesterday. All right, then I'm going to do some problems that reference something called population density. And it involves area. So if it said about 437,000 people live in a 5-mile radius of a city town hall, find the population density in people per square mile. So, if you kind of picture, we've got this five-mile radius, And there's 430,000 people live inside that circle. So I need to find the area. Squared. So it's interesting. It's pi r squared, and then we always put the number in the front, so it's not like r squared pi, but you know, it's no big deal. Okay, and then there's this formula: population density equals the number of people over the area. So you might have even like said, okay, well, if the area is 25, like when I read the problem, I just go, well, I'm just going to divide. So it really is just 430,000 divided by 25 pi, and you get about 5,475 people per square mile. Okay. All right, so just like the other on this one, you know, you can still use this formula, but when we were finding the people per square mile, we divided ones. You could have it asked like the other way around. A region with a 3-mile radius has a population density of 6,195 people per square mile. Find the total amount of people. So area is 3 squared or 9 pi. So if you're essentially like doing the problem backwards, when we're finding the total amount of people, multiply and we get 175,159 people. Okay, so you'll have, I think it's 4. Yep, 4 problems, 2 of each to do for the population density. Okay, and then we'll do the area of part of a circle and stuff like that tomorrow. All right, have a great day. See you tomorrow.